Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a different kind of video for you guys. I purchased this Recollections Traveler's Notebook at Michael's today because my daughter wanted a notebook and she wanted to start planning and a planner. And so I thought, you know what, we'll try this and see if she likes it. She wants to start planning, and also she likes to draw and start writing. So anyways, this was regularly $9.99. I got it on sale for I saw it here. Sorry, I'm looking at my receipt. It was $4.19, I believe. Oh no, it wasn't. Oh yeah, it was. And then I had a 20% off discount. So there was quite a few things that I bought. So this was on sale for $4. And we're not going to use this. I actually think what I'm going to do is have her pick out, I have scrapbook paper, and so I'll have her pick out something that she likes, and I'll use that as a cover and take the staples out of here and then restaple it so she can use this later. But I purchased this. We also got these notebooks. She loves mermaids. She's into mermaids right now. And this one just has the grid paper. This one says Deep Thoughts, and it has where she could plan, and it's undated, so she can get she can write her own dates and start whenever she wants there. And then this elastic I'm going to show you how to make, and then there's this one has the blank paper, and so this is what she chose. We also, how much was that? Oh, that was I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. We got the shaker, which are these, and you get 2 in a pack. And these were on sale for $2.39. Oh, and these, for these 3 little notebooks, were $4.19 as well. And then, so this only has 1 elastic, and I need to try and make this work. And so what I did was I also bought these elastic cords. You get 6 different colors, and it says right there elastic cord. I got all of this at Michael's, and the elastic cord was $4.29. And so what I did was I cut a piece out. I got the ruler so we can measure this. Well, it's about 12 inches. 12 inches long. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's about 12 inches long. And so what I did was I got one of the books, and you just wrap it around in the center, and then you are going to tie a knot. And I tied this knot, I stretched it and tied it 3 times. I knotted it 3 times, and that's what I ended up with. Okay. And so I know that she said she wanted this to be her first book. Her third book, she wanted this one. And so what I'm going to do is just insert that this way, right? And so this is the Traveler's Notebook. And I'm just going to put this in here in between the elastic. Just run this through. So I have her first notebook and her third notebook. Well, this is where the second one goes. So I'll lift this up And what I did also, you guys might want to do that as well, is I just got some scissors and made sure that these staples were down so it wasn't poking her or tearing the elastic. So I did do that with the other books. Oh, and the shaker. That's what this is. And I'm gonna put it in this way so it'll be the first page and the last. There we go. That's what that looks like. Okay, and then the other thing that she saw that she wanted, they're called Fuzzy Pals, and they were $2. So she wanted the seahorse and the dolphin. So I'm gonna close this up. Just connect these little guys right there. Okay, and this is complete. This is what she has. This is what I just did for her. She is actually looking for her special pin so she can put in the pin loop. But as of now for her, I think this will work. She can add any scrapbook stuff back here or Post-its if she wants. But here's the shaker dashboard. Then here's her planner. And in the second book is the grid paper. And then her third book is a blank paper for her to draw on as well. So thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And thanks again. Bye.